about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And we should say it's Sing About Hakka because Leo wants to introduce a song in Hakka to us. 什麼歌呢？
今天要教的是一個客家的童謠，叫做「熱講講好中強」。
熱講講好中強。OK， 聽完了之後，我們再來解釋。
熱講講好中強，強邊路好中強。就開花好中瓜，光芒太砸來賣，買到10塊錢好大面，面線團嗰來好大轉，轉團結嗰來好大碟，鐵三路個好似豬，豬我走好似叫，叫我鬧個好似調，調到背到呢，背到北宮啊！
Wow, that was a rock song actually in Hakka. And again, it's called 叫做什麼？
熱講講好中強。
熱講講好中強。哦，這是劉少熙的作品啊，對不對？
對，
這句話什麼意思啊？
熱講講就形容那個月亮很亮的意思。
月光光。
對對。
That means the moon, it's very bright, okay? And then 後面3個字是
好中強，就是說可以種薑。
月亮跟薑有關係嗎？
其實沒有關係啊，因為是童謠嘛。童謠你就不要去考慮那個合不合理的問題。
Okay, so the title has no related meaning behind it, but literally it means the moon is bright and it's time to plant some ginger. Okay, 只是因為押韻而已啦，對不對？
對。
It rhymes that way.
對，像這首歌裡面有介紹好幾種植物。像薑嘛。是，就是剛剛講的薑嘛。
哦，薑是薑。
做給
，OK。
對，竹子，還有
瓜嗎？就是
瓜。對。
OK， 那為什麼都有這麼多植物出現？是這個人在一直在種這些東西嗎？
對，到最後都失敗，然後所以他就不斷的更換其他的職業。
OK， 就是很有毅力就對了。OK，
也可以這樣說了，也可以這樣說。
Again, this is a nursery rhyme. It's very interesting. There's no real hidden meaning behind it, but again, it does describe a person trying to do so many different things, failing, getting up again, and doing it again. So that's this song. Again, 這首歌叫做
熱講講好中強。
熱講講好中強。There you go. That does it for talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.